We are headed into Costco for our October Costco haul. We just finished with Renee's vision therapy. And we are going to get our grocery shopping done. I never should say that I think it's going to be a small haul, but I almost felt like I could skip my Costco haul, for a while, except that we need butter. We go through a lot of butter these days, especially since adding keto chow to our diet. We just go through the butter. So that is the main thing that I need. And then of course, we'll find other things that we need. And then I have a few things on my list. 18 pack for $100. And then they also have these. These I like. I think I'm gonna grab another one of these. They're $4 off.
I need to move out.
You do need to move out. Move out, Levi. Got some clothes for Renee. She needed some new pants. Got some batteries for something Levi's going to do with Dad. That's exciting.
Mom, why do you have those pants and those clothes?
Those are for Renee.
Comfy chair.
All right, let's see what they need. Oh, look at those cute soup mugs. Those are really cute. These ramekin cups are cute. I like the rainbow ones. Those are cool. These are cool too, little square plates. Probably, or an air fryer. Yeah, that's an air fryer. Yeah, those are so fun. I like those a lot. Oh, you want one? What are you gonna do with one of those?
I'm gonna use them.
For all the parties you throw?
Huh?
Ooh, those are cool. I like those jars. No, actually,
They can hold anything.
what would I use those for?
They can hold
I don't know.
anything. Coffee beans.
2-pack Dutch oven. I love the smaller size. I have one similar that's Cuisinart, and I love that small size Dutch oven. You can get your very own bumper cars. Wow. I know you want a bumper car, but that's not something we have room for.
We already have bananas. We already
Yeah, but you eat them so fast.
Potatoes now.
A sack of potatoes? Is Levi a sack of potatoes?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. They have healthy noodles still, and they're on sale. I have some still at home, so I don't want to buy some, but I heard some people say that they couldn't find healthy noodle at their Costco, but apparently they still have them here, which is fantastic.
I'm really hungry, Mom.
You're really hungry. I'm really hungry too. Yeah, you can. I'm really hungry too, and I really should not have come Costco shopping when I'm really hungry. I'm gonna have to be real careful about this. Okay. Hey, it's okay. She'll get you some, or we'll go by there. Okay, they got the new Waterloo, and they're on sale. Black cherry. I feel like they had oh no, it was black cherry limeade with spiced apple and cranberry. Should we get one of these to try?
New kind, new kind. Cheese stick.
Oh yeah, we could get some. This is what I'm getting because I'm shopping hungry, because I'm going to eat some of that in the car. The reason we came. I've never gotten this before. Softer. And then it still only has cream and salt as the ingredients, so I like that. But it's way more expensive per pound. I haven't had these in a while. They're really good.
Hey, Mom, what makes this so bouncy inside it?
It's just because of the material it's made out of. There's nothing inside of it except the same thing that's on the outside of it.
Mom, is it ale inside this?
No. We haven't gotten these little smokies in a while, so that's fun to see that they have them. What? What? The what? The sample? I think it had a dip that had egg in it. Oh, here's your cheese sticks, Renee. You want to grab one? Make me do it then. Come on. Stinker. Grab cream cheese. Come on, cream cheese. There we go.
I'm gonna do the 2 drinks on the bottom, ma'am.
Perfect. Thank you.
And I made those for you.
9.
$1.99.
$8.99.
Why did he say that?
Because I'm a ma'am.
$1.99.
No, let's try. There we go.
$1.99.
Mom, look. Hey, Mom, look.
Huh? Yeah?
$13.49.
Mom.
Yep.
$13.49.
First off, I'll show you the non-food items that I got. Big thing of toilet paper. Always get every month at Costco. Got Renee some pants that she needed, some leggings, and some like sweatpants. The girl doesn't wear jeans, so I always have to do the comfy pant option. Some batteries. I grabbed this to try out. I got another pack of these storage bins. I use them for the pantry. I do like to put like my keto chow in them, but then lots of other things fit nicely in these as well. So it's always nice to have a few more of those. Let's see, that's all of the non-food. Now let's do the food. I got 2 of the Waterloo winter variety packs. I got 2 of the bags of potatoes. The kids love to make their own air fryer French fries, so they're gonna love that. I feel like the potato bags got way smaller. Like they used to be 15 or 20 pound, and now they're just 10 pound. So that was interesting. I got 2 packs of bananas, 1 thing of the Grillo's pickles, 2 things of tomato sauce to restock the pantry. The kids love to use this for all kinds of things, so they've been going through it. A pack of string cheese, 2 packs of the Little Smokies. I haven't seen these at Costco for a while, so I was excited to see them back because the kids like those. And then 2 packs of the Amy Lou chicken breakfast sausage links. We really like these and haven't had them for a while. Okay, these were the cheese and meat wraps. They come in like these 3 packs. They're 3 different kinds of meat and cheese, I believe. But of course, I already opened that in the car and had some of them for breakfast. I got a pack of cream cheese. I like getting this because it's in the 8 bars rather than a big tub. So it just like keeps longer, I feel like. And then a bag of bacon crumbles. The kids like these on all kinds of things. And then sometimes Levi will just eat them in a bowl with a spoon like you would eat cereal. I got a bunch of butter, which is the reason I went to Costco. Got 1 pack of the cheap, just cheap Costco salted butter. And then 4 packs of the grass-fed Kirkland. I like this one just as well as the Kerrygold, but it is a lot cheaper. It was $4.99 a pound and the Kerrygold was $7.49 a pound. So, I feel like I did a taste test like back to back, and I think this tastes just as good as the Kerrygold, and it's cheaper and it's grass fed. So happy with that. And I think that is it. I feel like it was a pretty small haul, but it wasn't a cheap haul. The total I spent was $317.21, and I'll do a little scan here of the receipt just in case you were curious about any of the prices. Thanks for going shopping with us. It's always fun to bring you guys along. I hope you're all doing great, and I will see you again in the next video.